All right, here we go at the last week of the session, week 7.5, again, starting on Friday, all right? Not the normal Sunday to Saturday format. So make sure you're jumping on, being active at least 3 days on the Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday of week 7.5. This week's discussion is about the formal and informal learning. So it's asking you to talk about something you've learned in the workplace. And if you don't have a job at the moment or have been previously employed, you can think about maybe something a friend or family member has talked about. If you are employed or have been employed, you want to share something you've learned, and how did you learn it? Was it formal or informal? So did you go to a training that with a group of people to learn about a specific skill that you'll be using in the job place? That would be formal. Or did you have someone as a colleague that was working next to you and leaned over and said, "Hey, let me show you a tip on how to do that better"? That would be informal learning. So you want to basically break down what you learned, how you learned it, and just explain that experience and which one you think you're doing better with the formal and informal. Okay, and that topic rolls over to your really one assignment this week, which is a learning reflection based on formal and informal learning. So there are two links in that assignment. The one is basically showing you how to post it on your ePortfolio. I cannot do a better job of what they've done. And Brian and Shen has provided you with really step-by-step instructions, where to click, visuals of all of those. Follow that to help you post the assignment. There really cannot be more step-by-step and straightforward for you. The actual assignment, again, it's another link. It takes you to another document, actually, in this case. It's a 150-word reflection they're looking for about your formal and informal experiences. When you're doing this reflection, you want to think back to what you've done on week 6, and you can extend your answers from what you started with there based on what you've learned through your lecture this week on formal and informal learning. So you should have some more insight to be able to expand on your answers, and you are submitting this formally in your portfolio. Okay. So again, we're almost there. Let me know if you have any questions to help you out. But I think you guys and gals have made quite a progress throughout this session, and I wish you luck. Thank you.